In this video, I'll show you how to mirror your iPhone to your Mac. Apple now offers two main ways to do this, depending on what you want. If you want to control your iPhone directly from your Mac, use iPhone mirroring. Apple says this feature requires a Mac with macOS Sequoia or later, an iPhone with iOS 18 or later, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on, the same Apple account on both devices, and both devices within about 30 feet or 10 meters of each other. Your iPhone also needs to be turned on and locked. To use it, open the iPhone mirroring app on your Mac and click Continue, then follow the setup prompts. Once connected, you can click, swipe, scroll, and even type on your iPhone from the Mac. Apple says if you start using the iPhone directly, the mirroring session stops automatically. If you only want to show your iPhone screen on your Mac, use AirPlay instead. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. Open Control Center on your iPhone, tap Screen Mirroring, and choose your Mac. On the Mac, AirPlay receiver must be turned on in settings first. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.